What's up guys, Major here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a video super slow-mo with Sony Vegas Pro.
I just wanna see the light.
So you can see if I play this back, see that it's in slow motion. So it's in slow motion, so I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So first of all, I'm going to clear the timeline. Timeline. Then you have to drag a video to the timeline, okay? Then you have to play it to know like the exact, to check the exact time when you start the video. So you have to play the video, and okay, I want it to start here, so you press S to split and then delete, so drag it, okay, then I have to like play it again. Okay, so I want the video to end here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to like press S again, then delete this. So what you're going to do now is you have to hold Control or Command if you're on Mac, then hold Control. You see a zigzag line appear where the pointer is. Then now drag it out while holding Control. So this is how to make it slow motion, a video slow motion. So if you want to make it super slow mo, what you're going to do, you have to render the video, add it back to the timeline, and then just keep drawing, just keep making it slow until you're satisfied. So yeah guys, that's how you make a video so super slow-mo and with Sony Vegas Pro. So thank you guys for watching this video. So like this video if you enjoyed it. I want to be 10 likes per video, 10 likes per video guys. So just please like this video, share it with your friends, tell your friends and about me, about the channel, whatever. So and then subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Major out. Love you guys. Bye.